Welcome to the training sessions on Total Productive Maintenance or TPM. I'm Professor P.V. Chandra, your consultants and trainers. In the few minutes, we'll begin a journey into a powerful approach that enhances equipment efficiency, reduces downtime, and builds a culture of ownership across all levels. Let's explore how TPM transforms operations into a powerful productivity powerhouse. TPM or Total Productive Maintenance is a powerful approach to boost equipment effectiveness by involving everyone: management, operators, and maintenance teams. It's not just about fixing machines, it's about preventing breakdowns and empowering employees to take ownership of their equipment. TPM builds a culture of shared responsibility and continuous improvement. As we move into the core of TPM, let's focus on its guiding principles. First, TPM aims to increase overall equipment effectiveness, or OEE, which means maximizing equipment availability, performance, and quality. It's not just about fixing issues, it's about preventing from. Second, TPM emphasizes upgrading both operational and maintenance skills. This ensures that everyone is competent and confident in handling machinery efficiently. Third, it encourages active employee involvement through small group activities. These teams work together to identify problems and suggest improvements, fostering ownership and collaborations. Finally, TPM is built on a fact-based approach to continuously improve. Decisions are driven by data, not assumptions. Ensure sustainable progress. Together, this principle makes TPM a game changer in operational excellence. This slide captures the essence of TPM as a mindset change. Traditionally, operators would use machines and maintenance teams would fix them when they break down. That's old attitude. TPM shifts this thinking. It promotes shared responsibility, where both operators and maintenance work together to care for equipment. It's no longer I use or I fix. It's we maintain. This collaborative approach drives ownership, efficiency, and long-term reliability. Let's now look into the core framework of productive maintenance, the 8 pillars that supports its success. At the base is fires and visual management, which ensures a clean, organized, and efficient workplace. This foundation supports all TPM activities by creating order and visibility. First pillar is autonomous maintenance, where operators are empowered to take care of basic maintenance tasks like cleaning, lubricating, and inspecting. This builds ownership and helps prevent breakdown at source. Next, planned maintenance, which focuses on scheduling maintenance based on equipment data and condition rather than waiting for failure. It ensures reliability and reduces breakdown. Third pillar is focused improvement. Small teams work together to eliminate losses, inefficiencies, and chronic problems through continuous improvement techniques. Early equipment management comes next, which integrates TPM principles into the design of new equipment to make machine easier to operate and maintain from day one. Fifth pillar related with the quality maintenance, which aims to prevent defect by addressing the root causes and ensuring equipment condition do not contribute to quality issues. Then we have education and training. This ensures that all level of employees gain their skills and knowledge necessary to support TPM initiative effectively. There is also Office TPM, which extends TPM practices to administrative functions, improving workflows, information flow, and support systems to eliminate waste and delays. Finally, we are concerned about safety, health, and environment. It's all about creating good workplace where accidents are prevented and health and environment standards are maintained at the highest level. Together, this eight pillar supports the ultimate TPM goal, that is zero defect, zero breakdown, and zero accident. TPM implementation follows a structured 12-step approach. It begins with preparation, building awareness, forming committee, and setting policies. The next is kickoff, where we involve stakeholders and align everyone with TPM goals. Then comes implementation, developing key programs like equipment management, planning, and autonomous maintenance, and skill development. Finally, stabilization ensures sustained success by perfecting TPM practices and continuously rising performance levels. TPM delivers powerful benefits across the organization. It reduces equipment breakdown, improves productivity, and ensures better quality output. With greater employee involvement, it builds ownership and accountability. TPM also enhances safety, reduces maintenance cost, and supports the culture of continuous improvements, leading to long-term operational excellence. And also, TPM is a part of a Kaizen, that is incremental improvements to meet the plan and reduce gap between the production plan and availability of equipments 100%.